Right, so here is the outside of the box. This side here has stickers on it, so I won't bother showing that bit. But yeah, so you can see the capacity is 2.2 litres. It kind of shows you what you can do inside. Basically it's just a timer and a heater and 3-year guarantee. And then here we have an illustration of how the heater works inside. And the back, the same as the front. Okay. So inside, I pre-cut the plastic seal, but I haven't opened it. So inside we have a little manual, user manual. I'll go through that later. A little, just like a welcome thank you. Here we go. So this is it. Okay, so I'll just okay, we got it out. Just two hands. So inside the box is nothing, and then we've got the actual machine here. Okay, now we've got it out the box. When we open it up, this is what's inside. This is like a little rack. To raise it up, let's see, let oil drip through. It's a bit difficult to get out. It's got these little rubber or silicone bits here, little feet. Presume goes in this way. Yeah, this way. Or maybe this way, actually this way, so you can grab it. It sits on there. That goes in there. It's difficult to do with one hand. We've got temperature at the top here. And then on the bottom here, old school timer. That's the two controls. A little LED light on the top, and around the back, it's like an exhaust. And a little warning sign. Pretty good. On the top here, inside, is your heating element, and just behind it is the fan that will push down the hot air. It seems that in between the dish and the exterior is a bit of space, so I presume that maybe some hot air will come through. There seems to be like a little bit of a port or a vent in the back. Seems, yeah, behind the heating element there's a little vent there. So I think some hot air will come down and circulate around this dish. It's definitely going straight down, probably around